Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Volvos are generally expensive to repair, compared to other cars. Volvos are classified as luxury vehicles, so their maintenance and parts are more expensive. Moreover, Volvos have car parts that need special software, which is also pricey. So Volvos are expensive to repair.
Take our lead.
The Volvo resale value is directly dependent on the demand for the brand. Although they make solid cars, they don't command the same pull as their competitors in the market. Simply put, not many people buy the brand, and as such they cannot have a great resale value.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Are Volvos expensive to service? While the Volvo brand is listed higher in cost on a list created by Your Mechanic Inc., Volvos are more affordable to maintain than other luxury brands. Over a 10-year period of ownership, Volvo models cost an average of $100 more to maintain than Audi models. 31 January 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
As I said earlier, the maintenance and repairs of Volvos are expensive because they are luxury vehicles. The price of various components and parts are almost on a par with those of other European luxury automobile brands such as Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and BMW. 25 December 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
While the Volvo brand is listed higher in cost on a list created by Your Mechanic Inc., Volvos are more affordable to maintain than other luxury brands. Over a 10-year period of ownership, Volvo models cost an average of $100 more to maintain than Audi models. 31 January 2019.
Take our lead.
This is a seller's market for used Volvos for sure. They depreciate fast because service and repairs can get extremely expensive, especially when deferred, which is very common. Their dealer network is also sparse or non-existent in some areas, and so is service. 3 February 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.